Do you want to know God better? It is God's desire for each one of His children to have an intimate relationship with Him and then with others. But we cannot fully love one another until we have ourselves experience the love of God. We experience His love when we willingly surrender to His call to be our Savior, Lord, and friend. There are at least 3 reasons God seeks our surrender. Number 1, He loves us and desires our fellowship and worship. As long as we hold something back from God, we cannot know Him completely or fully experience His love. When we surrender to Him, we get all of Him. Number 2, He wants our service for Him to be effective and fruitful. The more we know and love Jesus, the more effective our service will be. The greater the positive mark we will leave behind. Number 3, He waits for the freedom to bless us. He asks for our willing surrender so that He can give us the best blessings God has to offer.